So, later this year, Google's premium Pixel smartphone lineup, which includes the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, is anticipated to go on sale. The Pixel 8 series has been the subject of reports and leaks, but there is still little information available, and no official statement of the potential phones has surfaced. With 91 Mobile's tipster Kuba Wojciechowski has just released an exclusive video showing off the whole appearance of the Pixel 8 Pro as well as how it functions as a thermometer. Similar to the Pixel 7 Pro, the Pixel 8 Pro has a punch-hole front camera. 3 cameras are located at the back, but this time Google combined all 3 cameras into a single pill-shaped module. The aluminum frame that houses the camera module has a similar appearance to that of the Pixel 7 Pro. So, there is one modification. A new sensor has been added and is located directly below the LED flash. The temperature of your body will be measured using this special infrared thermometer sensor, similar to the sensor used by the majority of contactless thermometers. The Pixel 8 Pro's built-in thermometer is demonstrated in detail in the video. So, find the white sensor first, and then check to see whether there are any accessories on your skin or forehead. The sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro must then be placed as close to your forehead as possible without touching your skin. Within 5 seconds, you can hit the start button and move the phone towards your temple. The phone will vibrate when your temperature is taken and you may view it. Only the Pixel 8 Pro will have access to the built-in temperature because the sensor is needed. The Pixel 8 Pro will be able to measure objects' temperatures in addition to body temperatures. The Android Private Compute Core will be used to process and store the collected data locally. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8 series? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.